There's only 4 left.
Really? No, I got 5 of each grandma.
Oh.
So this is the T-Rex again, is the hard head. This is the rhino, but it's
it turns out I lied too.
I'm gonna have to call you out as being a liar. Oh, okay. So we got, looks like 2 different hard heads.
Nice. Man, you know what'd be cool? If they did this guy, like he's got like a little fur. If they did that as like fluffy, that'd be cool.
Yeah. I think they wanted to avoid that though, because it's supposed to go in water, so they do something with like fur. You know what I used to actually open a lot of, and it had like, some of them had like different textures and things, was Hatchimals. They had a lot of different ones of those to collect. So this guy's like a hard shelled turtle-y looking thing, but it's definitely not a turtle. And this is like an egg robot kind of. So that's a new hard head. And this is a repeat of the Ultra Rare Panther.
Interesting.
Yeah, that guy's pretty cool.
$11.06.
It's another T-Rex fella. Yeah, some of the guys that were visible are repeats, but there was only so many options to pick, so we might have to do like more locations just to get a bigger variety of.
This guy's interesting. I don't know. He's like an ATM or a vending machine or something.
Oh fuck. Shoot out! Grab him for me.
Yeah, what for you?
Shoot him! Ten more. Hopefully much less repeats.
I think you just want to open them all dry and then drop them in the water.
Alright, we'll do it that way. Much less mess to clean up these tubes afterward.
The sink currently draining on the last one. Alright, so we'll just like drop it on the table over here. They look like chalk like this.
Oh, damn. I think this guy is one we haven't gotten, and this guy too. It's definitely not edible. So I see at least what looks like 4 new ones. This guy, yeah, we got him. Got him 2 extra times. Yeah. So this one is a fly monster. Bzz, blah, blah.
I guess this guy's like got like his part of his skull showing or something. As a plant dude though.
Huh. It's like a zombie plant. Plants versus zombies. Alright. We do have that guy already. He's like the snail.
Oh, you see that? Here, check.
Ah.
A toilet.
Okay, that's a new one. A puffer fish we have.
And what's this, like a little werewolf, and just like, how many people got just like a one green arm?
We got both these guys already. Other pufferfish cousin, and snake.
And we got the Venus flytrap dude again.
All right. So we added a nice decent amount to our collection. A couple of hard heads. We'll do a nice little pan shot. Get all the new ones together. Oh boy, your towel's ruined.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna do that. I don't know why you did that.
My bad.
That's
A breakdown of all the new ones that we got that were not repeats from previous videos, and there were not doubles of each other, because there were some doubles of new ones and there were some doubles from previous videos. So these are all the new ones to the collection, excluding the hard heads, which I'll show individually, and the new ultra rare panthers, because we did pull one ultra rare panther in a past video, but we got 4 new ones as promos in this video. So got some interesting ones. I think this wolf guy is probably my favorite one from the new ones, and the Cthulhu next to him is pretty sick. And this is a little quick snippet of the hard heads and the ultra rare panthers that we did not already own.